Okay, so first off, we're going to start up a new terminal and basically move the working directory so that we can access ICARUS. And now we're going to go into the Lisp environment. So I'm using SteelLisp for this, if only for usocket. This is the domain for StarCraft. Let's go through all the domains. And here is the setup that's going to be called when we initialize ICARUS. So the initial problem statement is just so that the agent can harvest gas, has the ability to. Okay, and now we are going to go into StarCraft. We're going to check the BWAPI data, check the II, and make sure that this is the DLL that we want to run with, which for this case I didn't change the name. We are now going to launch KS Launcher as administrator. Make sure that it is linked to StarCraft 1.16, and then make sure that the release mode is on. We're going to go ahead and start a new game. It's just a single player for this demo, and then a custom match just to randomly play. So we are Terran, and you can currently see that right now the server is up so that ICARUS can talk over a TCP channel to BWAPI. So we're going to go ahead and load ICARUS by doing the command load new ICARUS. And it's going to go through all the warnings because it was originally written in CLisp and not SBCL. Just going to hit continue and we're all good to go. Okay, so now we're going to unpause the game. Okay, so this is what ICARUS will see in the world. Notice that all the resources and minerals are there, and then all the troops and units are also there. And then here is what the choke points are. They're essentially just boundaries between areas. So now we are going to start the problem solving by using the command grun, which will solve for the problem that we've given it. Okay, so I have paused it. Now we can see what ICARUS is doing through its cycles. It's taking perceptions of the world. So here's all our objects divided into things. And then it's formed beliefs about them, and then it's selected available actions. And this is what the concepts will look like. So if I check the domain, I've written concepts for it. And this is what they look like. They're symbolic, so anything with a question mark beforehand is a symbol that's meant to be used for templating. Scales look very much the same. Okay. And so now we will go ahead and start it running again. We're going to go continue to get it off pause. It's going to continue along. So now basically it's just assigning all workers to harvest minerals while it waits till it has enough minerals to build the gas harvesting plant, which for Terrans is a refinery. So we just have to wait until we have enough minerals. So it's 100 for Terran, Protoss is also 100, and then it's 50 for Zerg. So Zergs can do this from the start, but for everything else we need to logic our way into having enough resources. Okay, and then when we have enough resources, we send Sunlight Command. Now the refinery is starting to be built, and so now it appears in the thing, and therefore we've met the objective. All we have to do is wait for it to be constructed, and we are done.